Hello guys, so here we're going to discuss the benefits of one reporting layer across SAP, Tally and Excel. So why is there a need, Because most of the companies, who are using SAP and Tally, it's a monthly exercise. You export data from SAP, then Tally, then merge them in Excel. Right? Now, both the systems are right at their own place. Right, plan, corporate book, GL, Tally is here, but the chart of accounts can be completely different. So what we built besides SAP is we have a Tally data warehouse you already know. You have an SAP data warehouse and you can have a consolidation layer. Right. All right. And within the Excel. So now the mapping lives in tables and it's not in the codes. You map entity, you can map the accounts, you can map the party. The schema is completely different. You can map the items. And every load you have to prove because how do you know that both the data is complete. SAP, Tally, both are complete. So every load you have to prove yourself. Right. And what changes is that you don't have to go through the monthly report cycle. Right. And you get all the history and all the production reports are all going to be scheduled. Right. Now, with from SAP and Tally, actually what we are not asking you to do any migration. No BW, no new licenses, nothing. We will simply extract it using the connectors and then do it. And whenever you decide about SAP HANA, then you stay on SAP ECC, but we can also migrate it, right? And through the APIs, we can capture it. So first one is reporting health check and chart of accounts workshop. Look at the chart of accounts workshop and the hierarchy. Thank you very much and take care.